One of the biggest questions I hear from parents of twins is, how can I find good daycare for my twins? We're going to talk about that today. My name is Joe Rawlinson, the founder of dadsguidetotwins.com. I'm here to help you survive and thrive as a father of twins. One mental hurdle of getting daycare for your twins is finding someone you can trust with your twins. Number one is get a referral from a trusted source. If you have friends with kids in daycare, or even your local multiples group can make great recommendations on an affordable and local daycare option for your twins. Number two, make sure you interview the potential caregiver with your twins present. You want to be able to see how they interact with your twins, if they're still infants or they're toddlers or beyond. You want to know initially what's that first impression of the caregiver in the presence of your twins. Do they click right away? Is there a good connection? Are they kind of standoffish? Because that's going to be indicative of how things will be in the future for a long-term care arrangement. And number three, just like you would test drive a car, you should probably test drive a daycare or a caregiver. If someone's going to come into your home to take care of your twins, maybe invite them over to babysit for an afternoon or an evening and see how that goes with the twins. If you're going to put them into a daycare, put them in the daycare and monitor that closely for the first couple of weeks to make sure it's a good fit. And if it's not, talk to the daycare facility or consider switching them to another location. If you want to share with us what has worked for you as far as daycare, go ahead and leave a comment below on this video so others can learn from your experience. If you'd like additional tips and tricks on preparing for, having, and raising your twins, go ahead and check out some of these other videos and subscribe to the channel so you get the latest videos to help you survive and thrive as a parent of twins. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.